Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome back to English Learning Channel. I'm so happy to see you here today. First of all, Happy New Year to you. I hope 2026 brings you happiness, success, and amazing progress. Today, I have something very special for you. This video will help you in two important ways. Number one, you will learn how to change your life completely. You will discover the secret to true success. Number two, you will improve your English. You will learn new words, new phrases, and how to express yourself better. So, are you ready? Get comfortable, focus on this video. Let's start this amazing journey together. Let me ask you some important questions. Think about your life right now. Are you working hard every single day? Are you feeling tired all the time? Do you go to bed exhausted? Do you wake up still feeling tired? Do you work many hours every day but still don't see good results? Do you feel stuck in the same place? If you answered yes to these questions, then this video is exactly for you. Don't skip any part of this video. Today, I'm going to share with you a big truth about success, a truth that changed my life completely. This is a truth that successful people know, but nobody teaches us in school. Nobody tells us this secret. The truth is this, and listen carefully. Working hard is not enough for success. Hard work alone will not make you successful. Yes, you heard me correctly. I know this sounds surprising, but hard work alone cannot give you success. You need to work smart, not just hard. You need to protect your energy. You need to have a clear strategy. Please stay with me for the next 15 minutes. Watch this complete video until the end. I promise you something very important. After watching this video completely, you will think differently about everything. Your mindset will change. You will think differently about work. You will think differently about success. And you will think differently about your life. So let's begin this journey right now. Now, let me tell you an interesting story. This is a very simple story, but it has a powerful message for you. This story will help you understand everything very clearly and easily. So listen to this story carefully. There are two friends in this story. Their names are Raj and Maya. Both are young, talented, and ambitious. Both of them live in Mumbai city. Both have good jobs in the same company, and both want to become very successful. But they have very different approaches. They work in completely different ways, and they get completely different results. Let's first talk about Raj. Raj is a very hard-working person. He believes that hard work is everything. Raj wakes up at 5 o'clock every morning. He goes to the office early. He works 14 hours every single day. He says yes to every project at work. He attends every meeting, even unnecessary ones. He answers every phone call immediately. He never says no to anyone. He thinks saying no is being rude or lazy, so he accepts everything. Raj thinks to himself every day, if I just work more hours, if I just work harder than everyone else, then I will become successful faster. Then I will get promoted quickly. Then I will achieve all my dreams. But let me tell you what actually happens. The reality is very different. After 6 months, something terrible happens. After 6 months of this hard work, Raj is completely exhausted. He feels tired every single day. His body is always tired. His mind is always tired. He has no energy left for anything. His health is getting worse and worse. He gets headaches frequently. He cannot sleep properly at night.
He cannot think clearly anymore. He makes mistakes in his work. His creativity has completely disappeared. And here is the biggest problem of all. Despite all this hard work and sacrifice, Raj is still in the same position. He didn't get promoted. He didn't achieve his goals. Not much has changed in his career. Now let's talk about Maya. Maya is Raj's colleague and friend. She also works in the same company. Maya also works hard, that's true, but she works in a completely different way. She has a different strategy for success. Maya wakes up at 6 a.m. in the morning, not 5 a.m. like Raj, but 6 a.m. She gives herself time to rest properly. Maya works only 6 hours every day, not 14 hours like Raj, but only 6 hours. But those 6 hours are very, very focused. During those 6 hours, she doesn't waste time. She doesn't check social media. She doesn't chat with friends unnecessarily. She plans her day very carefully every morning. She makes a list of important tasks. She knows exactly what to do and when. Maya says no to unnecessary tasks. She says no to unimportant meetings. She protects her time like it's gold. Maya takes short breaks during work. Every hour she takes a 5-minute break. She stands up, stretches, and relaxes. She eats healthy food for energy. She drinks plenty of water every day. She exercises for 30 minutes daily.
Most importantly, Maya protects her energy. She doesn't waste her energy on negative people. She doesn't waste her energy on useless things. She spends time with positive people. She reads good books to improve herself. She keeps her mind fresh and active. She sleeps 7 to 8 hours every night. She doesn't sacrifice her sleep for work. She knows that rest is very important. Now, let me tell you what happens to Maya. After the same 6 months, Maya's life is completely different. Maya gets promoted to a higher position. She gets a salary increment. She gets better responsibilities at work. She gets many new opportunities. Other companies want to hire her. Her boss is very happy with her work. Her colleagues respect her. Everyone wants to learn from her. She becomes an example for others. And most importantly, listen to this. She is still healthy, happy, and energetic. She is still full of energy and enthusiasm. Now, think about this carefully. What is the difference between Raj and Maya? Why did they get such different results? Raj was working hard, very hard. He was working 14 hours every day. He was sacrificing everything for success. But Maya was working smart. She was working only 6 hours a day, but she was using her time wisely. This is the most important lesson. It's not about how many hours you work. It's about how wisely you use those hours. Success doesn't come from working more. Success comes from working better. Success comes from working with strategy. Let me explain this important lesson to you. Your body has limited energy every day. Your mind has limited focus every day. If you use all your energy without thinking, if you don't protect your energy carefully, you will burn out very quickly. You will feel tired all the time. You will feel frustrated with your life. You will feel stuck in the same place. But if you use your energy wisely, if you protect your energy like treasure, then you will achieve more with less effort. You will feel happy and satisfied. You will make better progress in life. You will achieve your goals faster. Please remember this important sentence. Write this down if you can. This sentence can change your life. Working hard builds muscles, but working smart builds success. Now, let me ask you a personal question. Think about your own life, honestly. Be truthful with yourself. Are you like Raj in your life? Working hard but getting tired? Working long hours but not seeing results? Or are you like Maya in your life? Working smart with clear strategy, protecting your energy and seeing success? If you are like Raj, don't worry at all. Today is the day your life changes. Today, you will learn how to become like Maya. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to English Learning Channel now. Like this video, share it with your friends. In the next video, I will teach you the complete smart work formula. See you soon. Goodbye.